Discussion of what is climate change, let us now talk about what causes the climate change. Number one, we have the human activities. According to Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration, or popularly known as PAG-ASA, the climate change cannot be simply explained by natural variation or natural causes. In the mid-20th century, it is confirmed that climate system may change due to human activities. Similarly to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or the IPCC, in 2007, they also stated that human activities are the major contributors to the occurrence of climate change. What human activities are we specifically referring to? Majority of this is the fossil fuel burning. Fossil fuel burnings produces green gases and aerosols that can affect the changes of the climate by simply altering the incoming solar radiation and intercepting the sun's outgoing infrared thermal radiation. And it can lead to cooling or warming of the climate system. That is why we often experience sudden changes of heat. When we say greenhouse gases, we are referring to the four major greenhouse gases, which are the methane, nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, and the halocarbon. Methane is a gas found in small quantities in the atmosphere. Example of methane are oil and flammable fuels, and it can be produced in human activities such as agriculture, natural gas distribution, and from landfills. This is the nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is an odorless, colorless, and flammable gas, and it can causes dizziness, unconsciousness, or even death when inhaled. It can be produced by fertilization and burning fossil fuels. Next, we have the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a colorless and non-flammable gas. We all know that carbon dioxide is an important gases used for living, but when we mix it with toxin, it will become harmful in our body. We can acquire these harmful gases through activities like transportation, building, heating and cooling, and manufacturing of goods. And lastly, we have the halocarbon. Halocarbon are gases that can contribute to climate change, and they are also largely responsible for the stratospheric ozone loss over the recent decades because of their dual impact. They are particularly concerned to environmental health. So, as you can observe here in our chart, the concentration of greenhouse gases is increasing from 0 to 2005. So, as greenhouse gases emission from human activities increase, they build up in the atmosphere and warm the climate because it can traps the heat around the surface of the earth, leading to many other changes around the world. So, for the following causes of climate change, let us hear it from the following reporter.